The Scrum Values were introduced in the Scrum Guide in 2016 in response to the need for a supportive culture that would enable Scrum to be successful. The Scrum Values describe 5 simple ideas that, when practiced, encourage an agile culture: courage, focus, commitment, respect, and openness. Describe behaviors that both Scrum teams and the organizations they work within should exhibit. As we know, Scrum is built on a foundation of fundamental values, providing a code of ethics and behavior guidelines for Scrum teams. Scrum values are responsible for how Scrum teams should behave, and Scrum principles are the road signs showing how to make Scrum function in the organization. Let's talk about each Scrum value. Commitment. Commitment of every team member to achieve the goals of the Scrum team. The Scrum team commits to achieving its goals and supporting each other. Contrary to popular belief, the value of commitment does not simply equate to the Scrum team committing to deliver a set amount of work within a sprint. Commitment in Scrum is about being dedicated to a cause, a goal, a vision, and applies to the collective actions and effort required to achieve that vision. Without commitment, Scrum teams will not be able to reach their full potential. They will struggle to collaborate and learn, and ultimately to deliver valuable working software. As a team, we commit to the team, to quality, to commit to collaborate, to learn, to do the best we can every day again. Commit to the sprint goal, to self-managing, to agile principles. Commit to create working software, to look for improvements to the definition of done, to Scrum framework. Commit to focus on value. Commit to finish work. Commit to inspect and adapt. Commit to transparency. Courage. Courage to work on tough problems. Courage to do the right thing by accepting that the future cannot be predicted and responding to emerging change. Courage helps everyone to be grounded in reality, not giving into personal pride. Scrum emphasizes the importance of self-managing cross-functional teams to optimize flexibility, creativity, and productivity. Without courage, Scrum team members will not be able to think creatively about problems. They will not be able to take the risks required to produce the innovative, productive product changes that organizations demand of them. The Scrum team shows courage in admitting that nobody is perfect and accepting people for who they are. The Scrum team shows the courage to promote Scrum and empiricism to deal with complexity. Then focus. Focus of the team on prioritizing and completing the sprint work to achieve the goals of the Scrum team. Focus helps to avoid doing other things not related to the sprint goal. Without focus, Scrum teams can easily become distracted by support issues, on-demand work, email, meetings, and so on, and lose the real power of the focused, iterative, incremental approach of Scrum. The team focuses on simplicity and delivery to the needs of the customer. The team focuses on embedding good engineering practices for lean software development and increase the value and quality delivery. The next value is openness. Openness of the Scrum team and its stakeholders in expressing and facing the facts and truth about all the work and challenges with performing the work, thereby increasing transparency. This value is most really linked to Scrum's roots in empiricism and transparency that it demands. Without real openness and honesty about its progress, learning, and problems, a Scrum team will struggle to gain trust and empowerment and not reach its full capabilities. The Scrum team and its stakeholders agree to be open about all the work and the challenges with performing the work. They are open to collaborating within the team and with the organization. They are open to being transparent. The last value is respect. Scrum team members are expected to show respect for each other and each other's experiences, opinions, and culture. Without respect, team members will pursue individual rather than the team success and fail to capitalize on the strength of working as a team. The Scrum team respects the Scrum roles, rules, and principles. They show respect by building valuable, releasable, quality working software with every sprint.